Hey everyone, today we've got a hot review, Memecoin Sniper Bot, a tool that can truly change your approach to trading on the Solana network. Here, speed is everything, and this bot's power is built entirely on that speed. And let's cut straight to it. Right now I'll show you a trade live. We hit launch bot, connect the wallet, start the bot, and look how fast it reacts. The trade executes in just fractions of a second. If before you had to wait and worry about missing the moment, now everything happens automatically. Why am I showing you this site? Speed. Reaction time under 50 minutes. In a world where every second counts, that's a real edge. AI protection. The bot checks new tokens for honeypots and scams so you don't get caught in fake projects. Automated trading. Set your stop loss, take profit, slippage, and the bot executes it all for you. Interface. User-friendly. With mobile support. You can manage trades right from your phone, even if you're away from your PC. Referral system. Share your link and earn a percentage of your friends' fees. A nice bonus if you've got a community or just active trader friends. 24/7 support. You can reach out to customer service anytime. Super important since issues and questions always seem to pop up at the worst time. Imagine a new Memecoin launches. While most traders are still thinking whether to enter, the bot has already bought the first tokens for you. And when the price spikes, it can automatically sell part of the position and lock in profit. Basically, you save both nerves and time. The bot does in seconds what would take a regular trader several minutes. And in crypto, that's an eternity. Of course, there are nuances. The interface, while convenient, can take beginners a bit of time to fully understand. It's not all obvious right away. And, as with any automated trading bot, there are always risks. Not every project, even those checked by AI, will turn out highly profitable. It's important to remember this is a tool, not a magic wand. Overall, Memecoin Sniper Bot is a powerful tool that gives you an advantage at launch. Speed, scam protection, automation, referral program, and 24/7 support. all make the site very appealing to traders, especially those chasing new coin launches. Now my question for you, do you think bots like this can be trusted, or is it better to track the market manually? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your opinion. And of course, hit like if this review was useful and subscribe to the channel. Lots of exciting breakdowns ahead.